Hello, Sunshine. It's all about night ride safety. Hello, mga ka-Sunshine. It's Sorry73. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe and like button para palagi po tayong updated. My goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers. Thank you for your support. Sana you enjoy watching my videos. Ciao! So this is my setup for my road bikes during night ride. I'm just sharing it to you. It is for our safety. Ito po yung mga lights natin. Bali, tatlong lights facing forward at tatlong lights facing backward. It is important to be visible during night riding. So I have two front lights and two back lights that is mounted on my road bike, and the other two is on my helmet. One is facing forward and one is facing backward. So the other feature of this is an action camera, which is a GoPro. One is facing backward and the other one is facing forward. Wow, awesome. So the beauty of the setup is I have at least 1300 or 1300 lumens of headlights kasama na yung sa helmet natin. At yung rear lights natin, kailangan pong visible po yun sa mga traffic pedestrian. Yung headlights natin ay parang isang high beam at isang low beam. Yung sa helmet natin, parang blinker po yun o minsan low lights lang siya. Kailangan po dyan is don't point it to the eyes of the incoming traffic. Yung rear lights po natin, kailangan lang po yung visible tayo. Huwag naman masyado yung nakakabulag o itan ko some blindness to the rider or to traffic behind us. Kasi hindi dun maganda po yun. So mga lods, mga idol, what do you think about my setup? Are we visible enough during night ride? Or is the light too much or kailangan pa nating dagdagan? So let me know or make some comments. Please hit the like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Diba maganda? Maganda po yung nakikita tayo sa daan. At saka huwag kalimutan, kailangan po tayong polite din sa daan. Huwag po natin itutok yung lights natin sa mata ng tao. Ciao!